barely anything. Like, I think this would be a steal for anybody to come in and negotiate all that, but
Yeah.
I think it's got a lot of great potential.
There's a built-in cutting board right here.
Stop it.
Look at that.
It's like a house of wonders.
I just saw it in the corner of my eyes. All right, welcome back to another home tour. If you saw the other one, new construction, 6 homes over in the Rose District in Broken Arrow, you can watch that video. I'll link it here. But so if you're coming here from that video, hey, welcome. But we're gonna check out this one. We've crossed maybe 15 minutes from where we were. We're in kind of it's not really South Tulsa. But it's not downtown. It's kind of in between Midtown-ish. We're like 31st-ish. But check out the landscaping on this one. Now I haven't really been anywhere other than like the living room, so you're gonna get my initial reaction. This one is $346,600, and I'll put the rest on the screen. Look at this. Susan McKeon, the one and only.
Hey, y'all. Hey.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
You look great today.
Thank
Look at those sparkly shoes.
Thank you.
So, it's really great. I mean, cool house. So, like, all of this is part of it. So, it's a really interesting layout. This appears to be quite a large lot, unless there's just no backyard, but we'll find out. Obviously, Big Ted over there from Lindsay Padilla On-Call Home Warranties. But huge driveway, 2-car garage back there with another carport. So really 3 2-car garage with a 1-car covered parking, it looks like. But look at this landscaping, guys. Japanese maple, 2 Japanese maples in the front. I'm not a huge fan of the colors, but obviously paint is an easy change. Looks to be mostly a full brick or stone, whatever that is. Parquet floor. So this is our, I guess it's actually like a sitting room, where this is the actual dining room, because the kitchen is right there. This kind of bar area is kind of interesting. I'm not sure what they were using that for. I mean, retro, but not bad. I mean, all this stuff can be changed. I don't even mind the textured wall. I like the ribbon. I'm just not a fan of the colors. But people know. It's not a home that's like, it's move-in ready in the sense of like you could live here and fix it as you go. But huge fireplace. I like the... Huge fireplace! We even have this cool accent thing up here. What do we call that? Very nice. Coffered is the beam thing. This is just like an inset. I don't know. Pretty. Something like that. I don't know what you call that. I feel like that's... I know it... I don't know what you call that. I'm sure it has a very... groin vaults? No, that's the barrel looking... I know it's a dumb... You're such a child!
What kind of ceiling is this?
Are we asking Google? What?
Oh, yeah, we are.
ChatGPT.
Tray ceiling.
A tray ceiling. Okay.
Tray ceiling.
Also known as recessed or inverted.
I think I've said recessed, or I'll just say pop. A tray ceiling.
12 paragraphs about it.
Interesting. French? It sounds French. Tray ceiling.
I'm French.
Okay, in the kitchen here, so there's that dining area. We just makes a circle. Really cool stuff in here. I actually love the cabinets. I think I just don't like the blue walls, and that's an easy fix. But look at this hardware, guys. Even has little hearts on it. How cool. I love the window to the side yard there. You have another window over here, so lots of natural light. The built-in cutting board. Honestly, could be so cool. Just needs a little bit of updating. Really cosmetic, which is kind of something I enjoy, because to rebuild homes like this costs so much money. So if you can fix it with just some paint, not bad. And I actually love these cabinets. I wouldn't even paint them. I maybe would respray paint these in a nice, like bronzy rose gold maybe. And then if you paint the walls a nice green, almost minty, kind of like those walls, I think it would look pretty cool. Get some new appliances, maybe, maybe a new sink. Could be great. But anyway, let's keep wandering. So this looks like our laundry room. We've got a built-in desk out here, which is cool. And then this is just a side door to the garage area and the carport that you saw. And then, oh look, here's the garage. Check it out. So 2-car, absolutely massive. Holy smokes, there's a whole workroom over there. Lots of storage out here. Looks like they have a water line ran maybe for a freezer. Well, that actually might be, no, that looks like water. I don't know. Got some storage over there. In here, oh my gosh. So wait a minute. It's a 2-car plus this one, and I wonder if the carport's on the other side of this. So really, you could park a car in here too if you wanted. So it's like a 4-car, honestly. But look at all this workbench area, and then I'm assuming that goes to the backyard. Looks like you have another, that looks like water hookup right there. Very cool. On that back wall, that looks like a sprinkler system, but you have electric and another hookup for, it looks like water. That's interesting. And there's another one over there. Whatever. 220 right there. If you have a smart car, park it in there. If you got a welder, that kind of stuff. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. Let's check out the backyard since it's just right here. It's a craft. I haven't been up there yet. We're getting like first impressions as we were looking. Oh, yeah, this is right up your alley, Jessica.
I know, right? This would be my favorite room.
These are parquet floors, right? That's what I said.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. They look a little different, but yeah.
Parquet, I know it's the little wood pieces.
Squares,
So I'm like,
yeah.
I'm thinking parquet.
Yeah.
Wow. Craft room. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm liking it.
And I would crawl out and hang out on the roof. I mean, why not?
You're such a retro child. Maybe not. I don't know if it's that bad. So, okay, wait a minute. Okay, so this was the shop, right? Must be the same door. So it is a good sized yard though. I was wondering.
Oh, look at the lilies over there. He wasn't even close to being
I mean, this is the perfect yard for me. Like,
absolutely.
if it was,
look at the birdhouse.
if it was me, I wouldn't even have grass. I would just like cement the whole thing, or put like gravel or something.
Yeah, I have my
hate
eyes on
mowing.
a tiller just so I can just put a garden bed wherever I feel like it.
Yeah, there you go. There's got to be more than just one AC unit though, surely. So yeah, vegetable garden, or just have like a dog run over there if you want to have the dog
That's true.
fenced when you're entertaining or something.
Right there.
Kind of the same over there. They do have a gate. Whoops.
Yeah.
I'm
digging this.
liking it.
Have some blue jays.
How much
Bring your
is-
squirrel friends with you.
346 seems like it's probably pretty high for the neighborhood, but it's not necessarily too high for how much you're getting.
Yeah, this is a lot of house.
Because the other house
The
is,
room up here, it's above, like it's not above the bedrooms downstairs, so you can be loud,
yeah,
stomp around, drop things.
yep.
There's an extra garage space right here.
Did you go in there?
Not yet. I saw the one that
Oh,
was
yeah. Well, if you
open.
go through the garage, then there's like, that's a whole nother garage. Where the
The
carport
workshop?
is,
Uh-huh.
there's another garage door there. So I'm assuming it's the carport on the other side.
Well, each room has its own like little aesthetic, like the raised ceiling,
Yeah.
skylights everywhere.
I'm like, we just need some paint and. Oh, don't do that. I don't know that they really got dirty, but they might have.
We didn't walk out.
Yeah, we didn't do anything too crazy. Water tank.
I've been hit.
What's up?
Somewhere I'm at.
How are you, my
Good.
friend?
We're filming. We're filming away.
Your feedback. Appreciate it.
Brian, you said this was $275?
No, it's 346. 6.
Do you need a pen?
Yes, please. I'll come back. So this would be primary bedroom. We have another tray ceiling, as we just learned. Got a fireplace in here, which is great. And oh, a drop-in tub. That's interesting. Wow. Check it out. And the mirrors, so you can see your bad decisions from every angle.
Let me get it. Do it. Do it.
I literally just said, so you can see your bad decisions from every angle. And you're like, get in the tub. Good. I mean, okay, wait. We need perspective. I'm like 6'2".
Yes.
With the hat, I'm like 6'4". So like, this is like a 2-person party tub. Like every other person. And it's jetted. Guys. And a low ceiling. So if you have, not low ceiling, but low ledge.
Look at my hand.
Check it out. I could get like a tray and I could be like editing videos while I'm in the tub.
With a big old bath bomb.
I mean,
Would you look at my hand?
yeah, they don't really make recessed tubs like that.
I like it when they're
Anymore.
like that. I don't like it when it's just the little like half or the normal size tub. And you have to step directly from the edge and I'm like, you're gonna murder yourself. But this,
That's huge.
You could put real pretty candles and some greenery around there.
Yeah.
Make it romantic.
I probably would get rid of at least one mirror.
I mean, nobody wants to see all that kind of cellulite.
That's a lot.
Unless you're like, fitness buff, then maybe. You
Well,
can
that's
see
true.
all that.
Yeah, if you're real confident, maybe it's perfect for you. Okay, so what? We have 2 closets. Love that.
The tub's amazing.
Isn't it
He
great?
made Ryan get into it. He said
Another closet.
he did fit.
Hey,
It's
there's
so big for me.
yeah. You're gonna look like a child. You look. No, like for real, you fit flat the other way. Oh my gosh.
I could do this.
It's cozy.
She really sells it.
There's room.
Somebody's gonna drown in that thing. Is there ever gonna?
Nah. No.
It's got jets.
But honestly though, like, when was this house built? Because isn't this like a 70s thing? Recessed
I
tubs?
think that we should bring back the drop-in socials, like little social circuits.
Oh, like in the living rooms?
Yeah.
I like that.
That'd be so cool.
And
Yeah.
her closet.
And you have a shower.
And shower. Giant shower. Well,
I mean,
It's like a workout getting out of it.
I'm a little confused though, because, yeah. But they've got bonsai tree on the window.
Oh, I did. I saw it in the shower.
There we go. But yeah, there's one in the shower too. Interesting. I wonder if they did that or it was
I'm
just...
attempting making my own bonsai
like
trees.
that.
I have not been successful yet.
Well, I've heard if it's supposed to be, it helps you with stress, but I don't know if it does. So what is this? Closet.
Well, I like all the rooms.
Oh, a cedar closet. Allergic to cedar, but
Oh, are you?
but it's nice to have one. Another closet. This is a full bathroom. Yeah, it is a full bathroom.
It is.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. That tub's
Another
pretty.
bonsai tree.
I didn't see that. I don't know.
This is a jetted tub too. Ooh. Oh my
See,
gosh.
this in the day was.
Oh, back in the day? Oh yeah, these were like the coolest people on the block.
Right. They thought of everything.
So this was like probably just the library room. Has another closet. Either the library or office, I don't know. Tray ceiling again. What?
I know. Every
Okay,
room. Like,
fancy.
which room do you want to
Yeah,
pick?
but okay. Oh, that one has a bonsai tree too.
It sure does.
Honestly, some new carpet, updated colors.
Get some brighter.
The cabinets aren't even bad, like
Uh-uh.
just change the hardware.
A lot of the time with cabinets, you can just replace the faces and keep the shelf.
Oh, like just the doors, the fronts? Oh.
Cabinet faces.
Hmm. This is a huge house.
Do you see what this was? I was afraid of force it.
Oh my gosh, Mom used to have one of these. It's for your recipes.
Cookbooks.
Well, or your iPad with the recipe on it.
Look at that. For your
Very cool.
cookbooks.
What do you think, Shauna?
I think it's nifty.
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 I think honestly just some colors. Maybe some new hardware. And
Yes.
spots, new appliances.
Like barely anything. Like I think this would be a steal for anybody to come in and negotiate all that. But
yeah.
I think it's got a lot of
A
great
lot of
potential.
potential.
There's a built-in cutting board right here.
Stop it.
Look at that.
It's like a house of wonders.
I just saw it in the corner of my eyes.
The
original floor plans out of the garage.
No.
They're really neat.
See
I
that
will
issue.
show you.
Field trip.
House, it's not a home.
Oh my gosh. Original
Okay,
floor
so
plans.
Look at this one. This is the original house. And
Wow.
this is the house that it is today. And look at how much it costs to design those floor plans.
Look at that.
Was this person an engineer, architect, or?
I have no idea.
This is a huge house for this neighborhood, though.
Oh, yeah. It is.
You do get a lot out of it.
Well, what I was trying to figure out, okay, so he does have a sink, but like there's a utility there. There's one over here.
Oh, those are.
Are they all water or
Steve
what are they?
was telling me they're air compressors.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Opposite side, that was the carport then. On the other side of this garage must be. Because there was like a carport and then there's the 2-car garage, so I'm thinking.
Oh, so there's a 2-car garage and then there's another car garage. Like it's,
Yeah.
it's kind of hidden. But yeah, this was, you can see it's just the original one, and then they added this one over here.
Right. Oh, well, that tells you the upstairs was 500 square feet. That craft
That would
room.
be my whole craft room.
Pretty cool. There's a lot in there. If you want a project home, but that's plenty livable while you do said projects, this is a great property for you. So if you'd like more information about it, I'll put a link in the description to all of the stuff that you need to know. Obviously, if you'd like to see it, just reach out to me. I'd be happy to show it to you or get you some more information. I think it's pretty cool, but I always love to know what are your thoughts. So let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If I can ever be of assistance, whether buying or selling, or you just have questions about the area before you move here, reach out to me. Be happy to chat. And I don't know if I said to subscribe, but do that. And I'll see you in the next one.